Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well guys, in today's video we are going to get straight into it. I'm going to split the screen in half as I show the items to you and give you all the details. You'll see me trying it on the other side of the screen. But before we do that, first off, I would like to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos, because that's what I do on my channel. So hit on that little subscribe button and hit that little bell, and every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And of course, to all my regular returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now, also, I would like to take a minute to say, if you don't know what Prime Wardrobe Box is, I will leave all the information in the description box down below. Just click on the little show more button and it will give you all the details along with a link to the website. And also, if I can find links to all the items that I do show you, I will also leave those in the description box. Okay guys, so I've already unboxed everything. I've already tried everything on. You will see it on the other side of the screen. So we're going to start with the first item out. Oh, and by the way, they're all shirts. And it's by the company A Stylish, and it is a long sleeve V-neck roll-up pom-pom button-down petite blouse in the size large in the color black for $23.88. Okay, now there are some cute aspects to this shirt. I'm not gonna lie. I really liked it overall. I liked the way it fit. I liked the way it looked on me. I like the little fun pom-pom details about it. It does have these little pom-poms, and I really hope that's picking up. And as you can see, I'm going to try to hold it up. It is a see-through sheer top, so you do have to wear a cami with this. This does not come with a cami. But for me personally, the thing that's going to keep me from buying this is when I was buttoning it up, I could not button it. The holes are very small, and I think the reason that it's hard to button is due to the cute little pom-pom details, because the buttonhole can be right there where a pom-pom is, and when that happens, it's very hard to button. Now let me see what the material is on this. It's 100% polyester, conventional dry clean, hand wash, cold, cool iron if needed, do not tumble dry. Yeah, so for me personally, this is too fussy of a shirt. I like it, but you would have to take a lot of care with this. Hand wash it, probably hang it to dry. The buttonholes, it seemed like it took me two hours to button it. I'm exaggerating, but you guys know what I mean. Hey guys, now the second item out was by Star Vixen and is a woman's elbow sleeve top in the color Burgundy. Yes, I love Burgundy. Size large, $12.93. Yes, thank you very much. I like that. That's right in my budget. And here it is. I thought it was really cute. I had high hopes for this one. I thought the button detail was really, really cute. I try to come in close when I'm trying it on. But unfortunately, on the other side where there were no buttons, it kept like wanting to flap open, and I just was not a fan of that. It like drove me crazy. $12.93. I mean, it's a good price, but that was kind of a nuisance. Now let me see what this material is. 92% polyester, 8% spandex, hand wash in cold water, line or flat dry. No, goodbye. Nope. There, that just really sealed its doom right there. Yeah, no, not messing with that. Okay, the next one out is by the company Cling, and it is a long sleeve casual t-shirt, triple color block tee patchwork, round neck, loose fit tunic top for $15.99. Okay guys, I really like this one. I like this one a lot. I thought this was such a fun pattern. Kayla, if you're watching, oh, I really like the way this was cut. This was cut like it wasn't boxy. It was like it had some shape to it, but not too much shape. It didn't cling and grab to my middle section, which is where I'm thicker at. So that's important to me. So the shape and the cut, the way it was cut was very nice. It is 30% cotton, 65% polyester, 5% spandex. Wash dark color separately, easy wash and wear. You guys know I'm keeping this one. all day long. I'm actually probably going to go back and see if they got different styles because I really like that one. This is a keeper. The first two, not so much so. All right, now the next one out is this pink blouse, which I thought is so pretty. Let me give you the details first before I go talking about it. Let's see. This is by Lark and Row. It's a long sleeve V-neck pullover tunic for $27.30, and it's in a size large. Now this is such a beautiful blouse. I really just like the way it laid. I like a nice V-neck. It's very soft. It's a polyester, but it's very soft and cool against the skin, so I like the way it felt. It had a pleating detail right here in the front. I'm going to try to hold it up so you guys can see that detail. And it also had a pleating detail in the back. Now the only thing that's drawing me, giving me some pause actually about this shirt is the color. It is a very spring-like color. And I wish it was more in this color, because this baby would be staying at my house, because I really like the cut and the shape of it and everything. So I'm kind of unsure about the color. Let me know what you guys think on that one. That's going to be a maybe. We're going to put that in the maybe pile. Okay, the next one out is by Wrangler, which this one really surprised me. I would never know Wrangler made this shirt. And it is a 3/4 sleeve smocked shoulder knit top in the color pool blue, size large, for $25. Okay, now there are aspects of this shirt that I really truly appreciated. I thought the color was very beautiful, very spring-like again, but it's a very pretty color. I like the smock detail right here on the arm, and the way like it went like that. Like I'm really getting into this smock detail right now. I just think that's a cute detail, and I just love that bell sleeve arm. But this is that kind of material where I carry my weight right in the middle, and it grabs, like every time you go to move, it doesn't slide. It kind of like just grabs right there and like sticks, and it's like, ooh. Nope. So for that reason, this one's going back. But I think it's a cute blouse. I would definitely have to size up if I completely 100% loved it, but I didn't 100% completely love it. It's 95% viscose, 5% spandex, and it says turn garment inside out, hand wash cold. Yep. Goodbye. But yeah, would you guys think Wrangler made that? Like, when I think of Wrangler, I don't think of this kind of shirt, so that was kind of shocking and surprising. But I really did like the arms, the sleeves. That was a definite win on that shirt, but nah, the rest is not. Now, the next shirt you're gonna see me in is a very oversized sweater. And it's supposed to be oversized, and it's by the company Anarabes, and it is a casual V-neck off-shoulder Batwing sleeve pullover sweater in the waffle knit, and actually this is in the size medium, and I'm a large, and you're going to see how big this is on me, and it's $23.99. Now there are aspects of this shirt that I truly liked, and of course the first thing, now this is a fall color to me. I really like this color, and it is a V-neck in the front and in the back. I don't know if that's very clear in the video, so I'm glad that I'm able to show you like this in the unboxing. And here is the arm. Now the arm detail, it like on the lower part of the arm, it's very tight, but then halfway up the arm, it goes into like this bat wing detail. And it is very, very long in the back. It would be perfect for some leggings and some boots. Like if you styled this shirt correctly, like with like a scarf and some boots, and layered a jacket on with this, I could see this making a really cute fall outfit. But personally for me, I probably won't reach for it. It wasn't a 100% love, so I'm probably gonna send that back. Now the next item you're gonna see me in was a very cute shirt. I think it was cute, but then there were aspects that I didn't like. But let me give you the details before I start telling you what I thought about it. And it's by, let's see, where is that one at? It was also by the company Cling, and it was a lace crochet deep V-neck top long sleeve, casual t-shirt, color black for $14.99. Okay, it's a really, really fantastic price, guys. And I like it. I mean, it's a nice black t-shirt. Basically, overall, it's a long sleeve t-shirt. But it has this nice crochet detail right here in the front. And I really like it. But I feel like you're going to have to treat this with a little bit of tender, loving care. You know, you're going to have to probably, you know, I could see that breaking very easy, because as you look at this, you can see that is not very thick at all. Like if I put that in the washer and a sock got wrapped around that, because you know how things get wrapped together, I can already see that's going to probably break very, very easy. I would have to treat this with kid gloves for sure. I don't know. You guys let me know. I'm really on the fence about this. I like it, but then I see drawbacks to it, but it's a good price. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I need to stop talking about that one because I'm totally confused about that one. Okay, now the last one is by the company FMB, and it's a waffle knit top, long sleeve, casual, slouchy, loose blouse, plain faux button, lightweight pullover. These titles are getting into paragraphs, and it is $23.99. Now this is a color block top, guys, and when I held this shirt up, I really, really, really liked it. I liked the way it felt actually when I put it on. I try to come up close and show you the neck detail. It kind of looks like it's inside out, but that's the way it's supposed to look. That's just the design of it. Like it looks like it's inside out, but it's not. And I really thought it was cute. Now the colors don't line up because it is a slouchy feel. It has like a balloon sleeve at the bottom there. But the only thing I'm having drawbacks on this shirt is it was like right in the middle. It was like a little tight on me. It's 85% polyester, 15% spandex, or 15% cotton. So machine wash. Okay, so it's machine washable, so that's good. So if I end up getting this, I'm definitely going to size up just so I can have that comfort level where it's not going to grab my midsection. So you guys, we're going to go straight into the wrap up. I would love your opinion on if you think I should get this and if I should size up. And I would like your opinion on this shirt also. What did you guys think of that? I'm very much on the fence about that. I've already talked about the highs and the lows of that. But the one I definitely know I'm keeping 100% is this one, guys. I freaking love this. Oh my goodness, I freaking love this. Actually, you know what? I'm changing my mind as I'm talking. I'm sending this one back, and I'm gonna see if I can get another one of these, maybe in a different color or design. If I can't, maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. I'm so on to see how I'm like, I'm all over the place with this shirt. I am definitely on the fence. So maybe that's just a sign that it's not meant to be. But still, let me know what you guys think. Okay? Let me know what you think. So I'm definitely keeping this one. Yay, 100%. And the other one I have if you think I should get this, is if I should size up on this one. So let me know, guys, what you guys liked, what you disliked, what you think I should do. I would love to hear your opinions. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.